Hello everyone. Today in this video presentation we will study about procedures in housekeeping. Good housekeeping implies that workplace is kept in an organized, uncluttered and hazard-free condition. A good housekeeping program identifies and assigns responsibilities for the following: cleanup during the shift, day-to-day cleanup, waste disposal, removal of unused materials, and inspection to ensure cleanup is complete. Now, the first point is cleanup during the shift. Housekeeping is not just cleanliness, it includes keeping work areas neat and orderly. Next point is day-to-day cleanup. It is your responsibility to ensure that your retail store is clean and well maintained, to create an ideal place to shop for customers and employees to work. Our next point is waste disposal. Waste disposal is the process of getting rid of unwanted materials or substances. And do you know, it is estimated that over 50% of the waste currently occupying space in landfill areas could have been recycled or reused if people had followed responsible waste removal and disposal procedures. Our next point is removal of unused material. Unused material means any material which is rejected as worthless or unwanted should be removed safely. Now, here comes the most important point, that is inspection to ensure cleanup is complete. Continuous improvement requires continuous evaluation. During coronavirus pandemic, housekeeping protocols have been changed. The housekeeping staff are regularly disinfecting all touch points and sanitizing the stores. Here are some guidelines for customers when entering the store. Cover your mouth and nose with a mask. Properly sanitize your hands before you enter the store and keep social distancing. In this way, we can say that cleanliness is a significant factor when consumers are purchasing goods. It has a direct impact on sales and customer satisfaction. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you for watching this video presentation.